So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kopano Bella. If you have been a subscriber, thank you for the love and support. And if you're new to the channel, please join the family and do subscribe. So, guys, I never do this. Actually, I don't know what is it that I ever do because I'm not that consistent. Mara, from now on, trust in me, born. I'm gonna 7. So, sharp, ne? The sound that I'm supposed to be using for this video, ne, is that one. I'm sure you guys know it from TikTok. I don't know, or any other social media. But do you know that sound that says, I will not only screenshot, but I will have money to buy. That is me today. So I'll be showing you what I bought, what I did screenshot, shoot, and then there we go, got to buy them. And that's what I think. This blender, I took a screenshot. I think it was last year, if I'm not mistaken. But the person who plugged me is Sitati Lizipa. I'm pretty much sure that most of you know her as Lebonza, the Bonzi Nation, you know. So it's a blender, the one that she bought from Checkers, and it is only 350. So I'm sorry I don't have the box, but I will insert the picture of it anyway here. I don't know, here or here, but yeah, I promise you. So it's, I don't know if I should connect it for you guys, Mara, it's so this one is the, I hope you guys can see. So this one also has its own lid, but this one is the blender inside the machine, and the carrying this thing. This one, it's platinum. Do you happy guys? I finally got to buy it. So this goes, yeah, and then you lock it. That's unlock. Aha, locked. And then that. Harden the shades. Yeah, okay, that's one thing. I will not only have money. I will not only screenshot. I will have money to buy. So another thing that I'm happy about. So, guys, I'm sure you know, Hore. When you come from home, going to your place, you take pots from home. You take things from home. Yeah? So I took pots from home, and then I was like, baby girl, you now have to buy your own pots. And then she took her one pot. But did I buy? No, I did not. It's only now that I'm buying, and I am so happy with what I got. I also got this from Checkers. Got this pots from myself. I hope you guys can see. Okay, let us unbox them. I did open them when I was with my mom, but I'm gonna open them now, take them out from the box. Please do not mind my hair, because I know if you look like Ben and Betty. Tomorrow I'm gonna wear a wig. Today I could not, because I don't want to be wearing my wig in the streets of Jos. Well, I am so happy. Guys, Gotakara Machivendra. Oh my goodness. So it's a 7-piece cookware set, first aluminium. I don't think you guys wanna see all the pieces, but hey, the happy. Okay, so I'm hungry, so let me just stop the video here. Today is a Monday. I'm from work. I just stick on nails, but the other side, one nail came out. I'm just gonna put it back because we don't waste nails. So yeah, guys, look at the what I bought, and yeah, hopefully I find that sound and use it. I will not only screenshot, I will have money to buy. Okay, guys, I hope you guys had a very good Monday. By the time you see this, I'm sure you'll be asking yourself, oh, which Monday? Monday 21st August, guys. So yeah, good night for today. Or maybe I should just say bye for today, because you'll be watching this, I don't know whether at night, during the day, in the morning. So yeah, the happy little girl is very happy. Hey guys, hope you well. I'm fine. It's a Saturday, the 2nd of September, as they say, weekend in cool. But yeah, I'm in my room just chilling, didn't go home. But yeah, so I'm about to prepare something to eat, and I'll be preparing it with you. So let's do it. Perfect. I hope you're sharp with, like, for real. I hope you guys are good. I might close the door behind is the bathroom. So yeah, let's start. I have load shedding at 4 right now. It's 3 o'clock. So yeah, let me start before load shedding, and I've ordered a few things from Pick n Pay ASAP. So hopefully that will be here. Maybe in 30 minutes. So yeah, let's start. I forgot. I've already used my pots. I used them during the week. Hey Luna. Yes, my pots. I'm so happy. I'm gonna use the pen right now. So yeah, they're easy to wash. Oh, perfect. But it's fine. You got that part. Okay, guys, I just connected my I'm now wearing my clothes. I'm opening those things first because there's something that I need to do my lunch from here. I need some pances because I'm making bagels. Also this combo same. I wonder if do you even hear me or you just hear me? But it's fine, as long as you see what I'm taking out, right? Tomorrow I'll be cooking, so I've got some butternut. This was 17 bucks. Got some garlic. I'm lying. This is ginger. Didn't want ginger. I wanted garlic. How come did I take the ginger? They don't read. Got some black pepper, some aromat, got some brown onion soup. This is also a combo. Got some full cream milk. Got the barbecue spice, also it was a combo, so it's 2 of them. It's a combo. Got some sweet corn. These days kids are healthy my face, but I don't want to put myself in a space where I'm gonna say I'm trying to lose weight. This is my journey, and then boom, I fall, and then people are expecting results. So I'm just doing it with my own pace, my own way, without having pressure. Yeah, got some spinach. Got some mahonatsoshi. This guy. Okay, just tell her 6 guys. So yeah, that's it. And for all of this, I spent 286 rand. But because of the promo code that I have, and also I also had some money in my Pick n Pay ASAP wallet. far, and please do like, comment, and do subscribe. Thank you so much for the love and support. Please do subscribe, guys. I'll end the vlog here, so it's bye for now.